In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills from Xero. Managing your finances effectively is crucial for any business, and using Xero can simplify this process significantly. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you feel confident and ready to manage your bills. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and navigate to Xero's website. Just type in Xero in your search bar, hit enter, and click on the official link. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials carefully, double-check to ensure there are no typos, as this will help you avoid login errors. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Now direct your eyes to the menu and click on Purchases. This section is specifically designed to help you manage your business transactions, invoices, and bills efficiently. Once you select Purchases, you will find an option titled Bills. Click on it to proceed. This is where your entire billing history is stored. Next, your attention should be on the Awaiting Payment section. This area lists all the bills that are pending payment. It's your responsibility to ensure these bills are paid on time, to avoid any late fees or negative impacts on your credit score. Now, find the bill you wish to pay. Click on it to open up its details. Now you should be viewing the bill's details. Here, you'll need to add the payment date. The date is essential not only for your records, but also for maintaining cash flow accuracy. Enter a date when you want the payment to occur, making sure you have sufficient funds in your designated account. Speaking of accounts, this leads us to the next step, selecting the account from which you wish to make this payment. It's crucial to confirm that the correct account is chosen to ensure seamless transactions. Once you've added the date and selected the account, it's time to finalize everything. Look for the button that says Add Payment. Clicking this will confirm that you're ready to pay the bill from the selected account on the specified date. Take a moment here to review all details, including the amount and date, one last time. There you have it. You've successfully paid a bill in Xero. Remember, staying on top of your bills is key to sustaining a healthy business. If you ever need to revisit payments, you can always check the account transactions in Xero for a comprehensive view. Thank you for following along with this guide on paying bills through Xero. With these steps, you can manage your business expenses efficiently. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on using Xero to streamline your business finances. Have a great day.